what is up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I really wanted to show you guys a bunch of my Amazon favorites. I have been ordering like a crazy person while being in quarantine, and I've put together a collection of 15 different things that I am obsessed with, and I honestly couldn't imagine my life without now that I have it from Amazon. So I will make sure everything's linked down below. I just really wanted to make one of these videos. I love watching them. They're one of my favorite videos to watch right now. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the fam. I make new videos every single week. And without further ado, let's get into my Amazon favorites. So my very first favorite is this Zule Kitchen Pink Frother. This is an insane frother. Like, it's a powerful frother, and it was about, I think, $20 because it is the baby pink one, and that one's a little bit more expensive. But they do have just like a standard black, white, silver, they have blue, red, green. I think they have so many colors of these, and I just thought it was so cute, and I love that it came with a stand. I love having this for my coffee in the morning so I can froth up my milk and make like a little latte. But like literally, like this is a powerful frother. Like you just hold down this button right here, and it's like a really powerful frother. I don't know how many times I've said that, but this was a great Amazon buy, and I was so surprised at the quality of this for how inexpensive it was. So my next Amazon favorite is this foot massager. This might be kind of a weird thing to show you guys, but it's so cool. So basically, it's a foot massager. You just put it on the ground, plug it in, and then these, like, there's like hard balls in here that massage your feet, and it heats up and it feels so good. I was surprised at how much I liked this. After I got over how it kind of tickled, it actually is really awesome. So this has been something me and my family have actually been really enjoying. So my next favorite is a dry conditioner. This is a hair product. I haven't used dry conditioners ever before I bought this, but it really intrigued me because it's called Cake. And basically it's just a hydrating dry conditioner, but it smells like actual baked goods, like cake. And when I first tried it, it is a very strong smell, and it may not be for everyone. I can only take so much of this, but it's really awesome if I feel like some days my hair is just a little bit frizzy or dry after using so much dry shampoo. So you literally just like spray it in your hair and brush it through. And like I said, it is an extremely strong, sweet smell. So if you don't like sweet things, you will not like this. But it is a great product, and it was under $10. So my next favorite is this Cinema Secrets Makeup Brush Cleaner. This is a giant bottle of it. They have smaller bottles. This one was like $40, I think, but it is so worth it. This is what a lot of makeup artists use, or they use things similar to this to clean your brushes. And this is what my old boss, when I worked and lived in LA, used on her brushes. So basically you just put it in a cup and you swirl your brush in it, and then wipe it off on like a cloth or a paper towel or something, and literally your makeup brush will be instantly clean and also instantly dry. So you can literally use your makeup brushes right after you wash them if you wanted to. I will say this has a really strong like alcohol type smell when you first use it, so I like to wait like 10-15 minutes before I actually use my brushes on my face. But once the alcohol smell has kind of dissipated, you actually are left with a really nice kind of vanilla-y sweet scent. It's not overpowering, and it really is just like nice for your brushes. It makes them so soft too. So my next Amazon favorite is this Brewmate Hopsulator Slim. So basically, I kept the packaging because I thought it was cute and I wanted to show you, but basically it is just like an insulated can cooler thing, and I just love the floral pattern. I think that is so pretty. But what this is for is like seltzers. You just put it in there and it keeps it cold all day. And this is a really good seltzer. It's actually a wine seltzer, and it's the Del Mar wine seltzers. This one's white peach. They have watermelon, black cherry, and grapefruit. And I really love these. These are probably my favorite out of like the sparkling seltzery beverages because it actually does have wine in it. It's 95 calories. They have definitely been my favorite lately, and I just love how they fit perfectly in this Brewmate capsulator. This is also really great for White Claws, Trulies, stuff like that, but it really keeps it nice and cold, and it's so much cuter than just carrying around that can. So my next favorite is a electronic kind of device. This is a LED smart bulb, and this is what I have in my lamp in my room. It actually is so cool. It's a light bulb that you can connect to an app on your phone. So you can change like through a rainbow of colors what different color you want. There's like different settings for like flashing and not, and you can turn it on and off with your phone, which is basically why I got it, because my lamp is across the room from my bed. So I got it so I could turn off my lamp without having to get up at night. Kind of lazy, but it's a great product. I love turning like the blue setting on at night, like a dark blue. It's really cozy. It also works just like a regular light bulb too. You can change it from like a warm to cool setting, and you can adjust like the brightness levels, which is really cool. So I thought this was a great weird buy. I like bought it again out of being lazy and not wanting to get up to turn off my lamp. My next favorite is a pair of slippers. You guys have probably seen these like all over Instagram and YouTube, different people buying them, wearing them in all different colors, but I love these slippers so much. I've been a big fan of like the slide slippers for a long time because it keeps your foot warm but your toes aren't like sweating. So I really like these. They're super comfy. I got mine in an 8, which is my normal size, so definitely just get your normal size. But they're a great home slipper. The bottom's really hard and nice, and again, they come in a bunch of colors. They're just really soft and comfortable. So my next favorite is a book, and I've been into reading so much over the last few months. This one is The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo by Taylor Jenkins Reid. I actually got this book recommendation from Katie Bellotti on Instagram. She posted it on her story, and I was like, that looks so good, I want to buy it. I highly recommend this book. I order a lot of books off Amazon because they're cheap, they get to your house fast, and it's been a really great way to kind of pass the time and do something that's not staring at a screen. My next Amazon favorite is something that I feel like has been circulating on Instagram as well lately. This is the Ebonel Skincare Ultimate Brightening Gel. So this stuff is nuts. Basically, it's like a peeling gel, so you put it on your face after you've cleansed when your face is a little bit damp, and you rub it in, and you can literally see the dead skin like clump up and come off your face. It's so crazy. I do think that the product also probably clumps up a little bit, but it does make my skin notably smoother and softer and so bright and glowy when I use it. I was actually shook at how glowy this made my face. I have a track record for breaking out easily and having more sensitive skin, and this didn't break me out. It's a really cool product. It is mild. It says that it's a gentle exfoliator, it moisturizes the skin and has a brightening effect, and it definitely does. This is, I think, under $10 or under $15. It's a great skincare product. It's like a super weird product, and it almost borderline grosses me out because you can see the dead skin come off your face, but I'm here for it. It works, and it's something that I think all of you guys should try. So my next Amazon favorite is this gel nail set. This is the Modelones gel polish set. It doesn't look as pretty as it did when I got it, obviously, but it comes with everything you need, even like a little LED light. I've been loving this for my toes and my nails when I'm not wearing like the press-on nails. It's amazing. It also came with a few nail polish colors already, and they have a few different kits with a few different colors, but I think this was around $30, and you literally get everything that you need to do your nails at home. It works really well, and it dries really fast. The lamp actually works really well, and it doesn't leave like your nails gummy or anything. I never go to the nail salon anymore. Between this and the press-on nails that I like to wear, I'm set. Next of my Amazon favorites is this ice roller. This thing is so awesome. You basically just put this in the freezer. It gets super cold. You can see the ice on it. And then it's great for depuffing your skin and just waking you up. I also love to use this after I've gone outside and ran. When I'm super hot, I'll use it all over my chest, my neck, my back, my face, everywhere. And it feels so good. It's kind of like a weird product and something that you don't necessarily like have to have it, but once I did, I couldn't imagine my life without it. It works so well at depuffing in the morning, especially after like you've gone out or you've drank and you feel like your skin is just like swollen. Do you guys know what I mean? When your eyes and your face and your cheeks and just everything feels like you feel like a blowfish. This will help with that. My next favorite is actually my straightener. This is the Niton straightener, but I've been using this for about a year now, and this is what I use to do my straightener waves. It's also what I use to obviously like straighten my hair, and it has been one of the best straighteners I've ever owned in my entire life. It I think was like $50 to $70, I can't quite remember, but it's so amazing. The barrel is rounded so you don't ever get caught in your hair when you're curling it and twisting it through your hair, which I also really like because I feel like I've had a lot less breakage. When I style my hair with this, I also can leave it for about 4 days. So this is day 2, and I didn't touch it up at all. I just slept on it, woke up, put some dry shampoo in it, and was good to go. And my hair will stay looking this nice for 4 days. My next favorite is a pair of leggings. These are so awesome. I have preached about these all over my Instagram for the last, I think, year or two, but these are from the brand Tesla. Yes, like the car. And they are just the best leggings I've ever found on Amazon, and I think they're about $15, which is also incredible. That's like the cheapest pair of leggings I've ever bought, and they're great quality. Even these white ones, like I can't see my underwear through them. They're thick enough to where you don't see underwear lines, you don't see your underwear. I can wear like colored underwear with these and it's totally fine. I have them in white, black, and red, and I just need to order some more, honestly, because they're great quality. They're really stretchy. I think they run pretty true to size. I'm like a 6 to an 8 in pants, and I always get a medium, but I can't preach about these enough and tell you guys how amazing they are, because they truly are, and you should definitely check them out. So next on my Amazon favorites is this looks weird, okay? It looks, I know what it looks like, you know? It's a back massager, okay? So basically you just plug it in, this thing vibrates, and you can massage your neck and your back. Y'all know I've been struggling with pain for the last year in my neck and my back, and I've had spine alignment issues and all of that. And this is amazing if you have like a kink in your neck or your back is sore. It also is great if you have cramps when you're on your period. I put this like on my stomach. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. You can't feel the cramps at all because of how much this is like vibrating. It just feels nice and it works really well. Everyone in my family uses this. It's great. And then last but most certainly not least are these cute block heels. They're amazing and they're so comfortable, and they were $20. Yes, I said it, $20. But these are from the brand Shoeland. I've never bought a pair of shoes from them before, but I really needed like a cute pair of heels that were going to be comfortable, not too high, and something I could wear at work when we have photo shoots or just like out with my friends. Just a really comfortable pair of block heels that I could wear to anything. So I bought these. I got them in my regular size. I'm usually an 8 to an 8.5, but in all heels and boots, I'm an 8.5. So I just got the 8.5. They come in a bunch of colors. I actually really want the cheetah print ones that they have, and I'm just super happy with the quality of these and how they turned out. So for $20, I'm not mad. So that's it for my Amazon favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Again, everything that I talked about will be linked down below. There are direct links to everything. This is all still on Amazon, so you don't even have to worry about not being able to find it. What are 2 Amazon finds you've been obsessed with or that you've ordered lately? Comment them down below. I would love to know. I've been an ordering machine the last few months. I love Amazon. I love my Amazon products. Again, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join the fam. I make new videos every single week, just like this. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.